Hi everyone, welcome to Geek Decoders YouTube channel. So if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please subscribe to my channel for more Power BI videos. So today my topic is how to use Power Query Conditional Columns. So as you can see in my below images, so I want in my data table we have a description column. So I want to extract whether the length is centimeters or millimeters and add it to a new column. So basically I want to do a string extraction and add it to a new column, right? Let's see by using the Power Query Conditional Columns how we can achieve this. Right, so here I'm in the Power BI desktop. So in my data table I have ID, product, description and price. So first method is I will use if condition to do this task, which is I want to extract whether it's centimeters or millimeters and add it to a new column. So let's see by using the if condition how we can do this. Right, so I will create a new column. Right, so I'll rename it as custom column. Right, so then I will use if condition, if, then to extract the string or search string, then I will use CONTAINSSTRING method, the DAX function, and within the text means it should be sheet 1 description. So there I will search the string, and text I want to find is CM, and this method does not care about the case, right? So then my output should be return if true, then it should be CM, right? Else again we have to write if condition, if contain string sheet 1 description, right? So then I will search mm, right? Then if it is true, returns value should be mm, else I can say blank or something, or not applicable, right? So now my function is over. Let's see the results. So as you can see now, if it is CM, now the custom column value extracted CM, and mm, if it is mm, then it is extracted mm. So this is how we can write the first DAX function or first method in order to extract a string. So here I have used CONTAINSSTRING DAX function. So now let's go and see how we can use Power Query Conditional Columns in order to achieve the same results. Right, so now first we have to go to the Power Query. So we go here, Home and Transform Data, and I go to Transform Data tab, and here my table can be seen here, right? Right, so now first I have to add a conditional column. For that I have to go Add Column tab and add conditional column. When I click it, so here now a conditional formatting pane is started to display. So now it is time to add some conditions here. So I use here as the custom column as the column name. So here I can use column description. Operator is so there are many operators, so you can try it here. So value, so I can say enter value. I say contains CM, then output should be CM, right? Likewise, so you can else description, so I can say contains and then CM, simple CM, it should be CM, and then I can add further. So I can say description, here I can say contains mm, then it should be mm, right? Likewise I can add many condition as I want. To this, so I think apart from writing a DAX function, this is something easy right? So you can write anything, and then I have to say yes. Okay. Before that, there are many operators as well, so you can use this and try this out. So here my task, I want only contains, so I say okay. As you can see now, the same output which I have taken by using the if condition, that I have added or that I have gained by using this conditional column. So this is how we use Power Query conditional columns. So this is one of the example that how we can use this conditional columns. Right, so now we go home and close and apply. Right, so as you can see now, in my field section, the custom column is started to display. Right, so if we add the custom column value, as you can see, centimeter, millimeter values are shown. Right, if we add the description here, so as you can see, we have correctly extracted the string that we want by using the Power Query conditional columns. Right, so thank you for watching my video, and I will release a new video very soon. So please subscribe to my channel for more Power BI videos, and keep in touch.